Stable Video Diffusion. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and go to the provided link website, where all the links can be copied from the pinned comment below. After that, scroll down and search for the direct link to download the standalone Windows build. Once the download is finished, extract the folder and then go to the provided link for the base Stable Diffusion model. Download the model for the Stable Diffusion base. Next, go to the given link for the Stable Video Diffusion model and download it. Then, go to the next link and download the Stable Video Diffusion XT model. After downloading all the necessary files, open the 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀 folder. Then go to the models/checkpoints folder and place all the models you downloaded inside. After that, return to the main directory and run NVIDIA GPU.bat file. Next, go to the provided link and download the workflow JSON format file. Open 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀, click the load button, and search for the JSON file you downloaded earlier to load it. Cue your prompt by clicking the Cue Prompt button.